Can you explain what you're doing? So as you've seen, as soon as we got out the car, we have an invitation to speak to this woman who is simply trying to exercise her legal right to stand for election, and straight away these plainclothed policemen, we can only assume is what they are, have blocked our way into her house. I'll just try and knock on the door. 不好意思，等一下。你好。Miss Liu, hello.
哎，你好，干嘛呀？
So we're hoping we can come in and talk to you.
啊，那进来吧。
Thank you. Excuse me, I think we have permission to go in and speak to this lady. Who are these people?
他们我都不认识，不认识他们是谁。
刘女士，您为什么要参选？
因为我认为参选这是我权利，这是我的权利。门关了。门要开的。我要把我的门开开，你们怎么了？因为这是我的权利，我要行使我的权利，我要参加选举。
手臂夹着手臂往出，会不会呀？手臂靠胳膊往出轻它就完事儿了呗，就这点事儿，也别推它，也别碰它，直接往出轻它。
As you can see, there's absolutely no way through. Probably 20, 25 men outside this house. There's absolutely no way to get to it. So this is democracy Chinese style. A large group of thugs pushing us away, and we've no choice but to leave.